Hello friends, do you face this problem where it's saying Outlook on loading profile only and it's stuck? So today in this video we'll see how to solve this. So for that, just go to the control panel, then go to the mail, then here go to the profiles, then you can click on add and create a new profile. Once you create a new profile, then fill the details over here, your email address and a password so that you can log in. Then it's going to be connected over here. Once it's done, then select the new profile, then click on finish and okay. Then you can open the Outlook and finally the Outlook will open this time and give some time to get the email. It's gonna update email over there. I hope your problem is solved and thank you for watching the video. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.